Και την επιθετική ρητορική της Άγκυρας κατά της Ελλάδας κατήγγειλε, κυρίες και κύριοι, ο Νίκος Δένδιας από τη Μάλτα, όπου συναντήθηκε με τον υπουργό Εξωτερικών της χώρας λίγες ώρες μετά το ταξίδι του στην Αίγυπτο.
My country faces an unprecedented hostile rhetoric by Turkey, almost I have to say on a daily basis, a purely unacceptable rhetoric. Well, let me say that we believe that revisionism has no place in the 21st century. We had the opportunity to discuss the situation in Libya. We are content to see that the European Union, Cyprus, the United States, Germany, France, Italy, Egypt, numerous other countries have come out publicly and denounced the recent signing of the memorandum between the Tripoli government and Turkey. And thank you for referring to the conclusion of the European Union Council, our Council.